Welcome dear students. In this video we will discuss left outer join in both Excel and Pandas. So there are two ways in Excel that we can implement left outer join. So the first way is VLOOKUP and the second way is left outer join in Excel. Further we will implement that concept left outer join in Python Pandas. So how to implement left outer join via VLOOKUP in Excel. First of all, we need two tables, the first table and this is the second table. So based on left outer join, left outer join means all records from first table, all from first, and matching from second. So I will copy this table and for more understanding I will copy here to understand easily. Left outer join means we will consider the joining based on the ID. First of all, we have a similar and common column in both tables which have the same values, like ID column, ID here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ID column. So this column should be there. Two tables and matching common column should be there. Left outer join means all from first, means I want all these records from first. Don't consider it as matching or not to the second table. Just matching from second. We will look here. Match. These rows are match because 1 is there, 2 is in the second table. Is there, 3 in the first and the second table is there, in the first 4 ID, in the second 4 is there, in this first 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there in both, 8 is there in both, 9 is there in both, but 10 is not there in both. So left after join means it will take the 10 as well, all of them, but not this, it will take this but not the 11 because the 11 is not there in the first table. Left outer join means all from first, matching from second because these ID are matching into these ID. This is left outer join. How to implement that by VLOOKUP? So we will add a function VLOOKUP. Based on ID column we want the joining operation. We will add the whole table, the second whole table, and we will add the order of the second column we want to join with the first table. So ID is common in both. So now I want the city column to be added here next to the department table. The order of city is second and the second table, because this is the first column, this is the second. You have not to take the reference of the cell, just order of the cell. This should be numeric. Then the other parameter is exact match. The VLOOKUP got 4 parameters. The ID based on which we want to join both tables based on ID column, so I added this column. So then the other is I added the whole data table. The second table we were looking search for that, and the third parameter is 2, means we want the second the city column to join into the first table next to the department here, and the exact match. This is the fourth attribute. Yes, then if you look at here, so all these records are matching except the last. Why? Because if you look at 10, it got, in the first table it got it, but there is none value because if you look at here, the 10 ID number is not there. Because of that, it gave us an error, not available. So this is an error. To remove this, if we have thousands of millions records, this is an error. How to remove this? We will cut this if error. So then we will paste this VLOOKUP again. We will not take, like we will type not found, or the, for more understanding, the value is not matching from the second table. So the value is not matching from the second. The message is a little bit lengthy but easy to understand. The value is not matching from the second, so this value is not matching. This was the concept of left outer join by VLOOKUP. So for now we don't want this anymore. We will navigate to the left outer join in MS Excel. After that we will implement left outer join in Python Pandas. So for now this is done. I will remove this because we don't need anymore. Control minus control minus is not control minus to remove this. So this is my second table and this is my first table. So now we will navigate to the left outer join by MS Excel. We will go to data tab. We will go to get data from Excel, from workbook. We will transform both tables into the Power Query. So my file for joining this file is located in desktop. We will navigate to desktop for joining. We will take this file for joining. To select multiple items, we will check this one, select multiple items, because we want to transform this both table, first table and second table, into the Power Query. So now we want to transform both of them. We will press the shift key and select both of them. Then we will go to close. We have two options, close and load, close and load too. Just close and load. So now our both tables are transformed into Power Query and the styles are a little bit changed. This is my second table, normal one. This is the Power Query one. Now I go to the first, we'll go to the horizontal 4 dots, go to the merge, to merge both of them. So this is my first table. I will select the second table as well. Based on ID, we want to implement left outer join. Left outer join means all from first matching from second, means all record from first matching from second. It will say as 9 of 10 rows from the first table. The selection matches 9 of 10 rows from first table. It will say 9 rows will be selected from the first table. Then we will go to OK. one other table. So there are how many records are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are matching. Now we want to add the city column from the second table as well. We don't need ID because this is common in both. Just city we want to add into the first table. Here is none value because the this 10 ID number was not exist in the second table. Because of that, the left outer join take all from first, not from that one. Then this value is null. If you have thousands of records and this is an error in data analysis, you will replace this by manual message. Null you will replace by null with the value is not matching. Okay, this is our custom message. Now if we look at the column title, this is a little bit confusing. Second table dot city, we will rename this one just city. Now we'll go to navigate to close and load. It will give us a third table merge with name merge. So if you look here, this is our merge table, all from first, yes, matching from second. This is not matching, so just we custom it. That was left outer join in MX Excel. So we don't need any more because we want to navigate to implement that left outer join in Pandas Python. So I will remove all these three. Yes, Control S, then close. Then we will go to here. My file is located. I will navigate to my file. I will assign path. Navigate to my file R. My file is located in desktop. For joining, copy as a path. We'll go to Jupyter. This is Jupyter notebook. You have to install that. After that, you have to install Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. Just for this operation, Pandas is needed. Then we'll paste the path of the data file. So my file have two. My file has two data sheets. The first table and the second table. This is the first sheet. This is the second. So first table, PD. First of all, I will see. Okay, first table PD dot read Excel. Read Excel path, because the path, the Excel path is here. Then sheet name, this is the other attribute, is equal to what is the sheet name, the first table sheet name. I will copy this name. Go to here. This is the first. Control C, Control V. Second table second table. Yes, just I want to display the first table to test if it's okay or not. Yeah, just I want to display the second table. Control Shift Enter. Yeah, both tables are added successfully. Now I want to implement or do the merge operation. Merge table pd dot merge, because Pandas has a merge method to join both of first table and second table. This merge table can take multiple parameters. I want to merge both tables first and second. Yeah, okay. How to join both of them? Left, because we want left outer join. On which column we want to implement or to do left outer join operation? On ID, because we already said that if you are if you want to implement a joining operation, we must have a common column in both tables that have similar values on ID, because on ID column we want to add. Just we want to test if both tables are joined or not. Yes, this is left outer join, all from first. If you look here, all from first, none from second, this value is not matching. So if there are millions of records, so none is if we analyze this data, this is an error and user don't understand, and this we will change this value by 0 or by custom message. So to replace that one, merge.fill. Nah, this is a function with 0. Okay, yes, and so we can take not matching. We can take it this as well. So this was left outer join in both Excel and as well as Python Pandas. If you understand and if you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel to implement all of the joining operation and other data related operation in MS Excel and as well as Python. So thank you for watching, dear guys.